If you're like most people, you probably spend too much time on social media. But what if there was a way to automate your posts so that you could save time? Enter Tailwind Multinetwork app. With this app, you can automatically post to Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook all at once. So if you're looking for a way to save time on social media, then this is the app for you. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Tailwind Multinetwork app to automate your social media posts. This app is a game changer for anyone who wants to save time on their social media marketing. With Tailwind, you can post to Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook all at once, and you can even schedule your posts in advance. This app is a must-have for anyone who wants to save time and grow their social media. Before we start, welcome to Digital Success, where we teach you how to make money online in the simplest way. Subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Let's get started. One of my favorite things about Tailwind is that I can plan out a month's work of content within a minute. With Tailwind Create, I can now create, schedule, publish, and analyze all three networks all in one place. I'm loving Tailwind's multi-network approach to content creation. I can easily create, schedule, publish, and analyze for Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook all in one place. If you want to grow your social media and earn money from it, you must enter Tailwind Multinetwork app. Here is why. Number 1. No design skill, no worry. With Tailwind Create, you can quickly pick an excellent design from hundreds of incoming variations, and personalize your favorite one in just a few seconds. There is no need for any graphic design experience to look like a pro. The quality is higher than what would be made by someone with graphic design experience. Number 2. You are frustrated with social media because it's too much work and needs more time. Not anymore. With Tailwind Create, everything can be accessed with one single website, which will never require downloading, uploading, or organizing your files. You can save time by creating, scheduling, and publishing content for all Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook platforms in one place. Number 3. No more worries about resizing for each network. Tailwind does it for you. Once you create one design for Pinterest, Tailwind resizes it for Facebook or Instagram. Here are the best Tailwind features. First one, Tailwind Create. Tailwind Create allows users to automatically generate many posts optimized for respective social media platform pages with no design skills necessary. Second best feature, Tailwind Schedule. With the Tailwind platform, you won't have to spend time daily searching for your next pins. You can simply use your time once a month by sitting down for a few minutes to add pins and let Tailwind take care of it. Let us see some features of Tailwind for Pinterest. Tailwind Communities. Tailwind Communities are one of the coolest features of Tailwind, and they're a great way to get more exposure for your pins. Think of them as a virtual group of people who are all interested in the same thing. When you join a community, you can share your pins with the other members, and they can share pins with you. It's a great way to get your content in front of a new audience. Tailwind Smart Loop. The Smart Loop allows you to create a continuous loop of pins, which means your pins will be posted automatically, at the times you choose. This is a great way to make sure your pins are always being seen by people who are interested in them. Tailwind Analytics. This will show you a detailed overview of your account, including the number of pins, the number of re-pins, and the number of likes each pin has received. If you're looking for a way to automate your social media posts, then Tailwind Multinetwork app is the perfect solution. It's an app that allows you to create and schedule posts in one place. Have you tried out Tailwind Multinetwork app? What has been your experience so far? Let us know in the comments below.